Hi, I'm Miss Walker, the self-help expert. My heart goes out to everyone who has been hurt by a natural disaster. I am so sorry this terrible thing has happened to you. In a moment, natural disasters can make your whole world upside down. How do you pick up the pieces and move on? I show you some great ways to heal, rebuild, and get stronger than ever in this video. Tip number 1. After a natural disaster, try to stay calm. Focus on finding a place to stay, getting food, calling family, calling FEMA. Tip number 2. Pray to God to help you maintain your calm and discover hope. Peter tells us in the Bible, put your worries on God because He cares for you. Tip number 3. Write down your thoughts or talk to people you trust about how you feel. In the Bible, Proverbs says, iron sharpens iron. A person sharpens his friend. With the help of a friend, you can feel better. Tip number 4. If you need help dealing with trauma or grief, call mental health professionals. Remember that everything will be all right as you get through this tough time and keep gleaming like a diamond. And please go to my website, and it will be listed in the description for more encouraging podcast episodes. Bye. You're going to be all right.